Meet Jane. She's been preparing a delicious cake for her friends who are arriving any moment now. Everything was going perfectly until disaster struck. A power outage hit right when her cake needed exactly 17 more minutes in the oven. Her electric clock? Useless. Her phone? Dead. And here's the kicker, she's using a gas oven, so the cake is still baking. Leave it too long, and the cake burns. Take it out too early, and it's raw. She needs exactly 17 minutes. But Jane only has two tools at her disposal. A 7-minute hourglass, and an 11-minute hourglass. Neither adds up to 17. However, with little deliberation, Jane discovered how to use the two hourglasses to bake her cake for exactly 17 minutes. Can you tell how did Jane figure it out? Alright, time's up. Let's see how Jane cracked this puzzle. Visit the link in the description and find the ingenious solution that saved Jane's cake.